Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Nigerians are asking, what does the Senate want in summoning the host of Brekete Family Radio, Ordinary President Ahmed? What does the Senate want from him that they are summoning him to the Senate to come and explain his broadcast with Senator Natasha Akpoti, who recently had a fallout with the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio. Now, what does the Senate want from him? People are wondering. To many Nigerians, what ordinary Ahmed, or ordinary President Ahmed did the day he had a phone interview with Natasha Akpoti, the senator representing Kogi State, was what Ahmed knows how to do best: intervening in public discourse and educating the people about how the government is being run. That was the finest display of the role of the media in governance. The role of the media in governance is to bridge the gap between the people and the leaders. And that was what Ahmed did by trying to find out what actually transpired in the Senate that led to the viral video of Senator Natasha protesting vehemently against her seat being changed without notification. I understand that in the fairest exhibition of finest journalism, Ahmed called on the Senate President to hear from his own side of the story, but the Senate President allegedly did not pick or didn't want to talk in the same, during the same program. And Natasha was able to say her own side. And the one I listened to, Natasha was being measured. She didn't go too deep into the issues, but she talked about some of the challenges she had faced in the Senate, being a woman, being from Kogi State, and made some allegations about why they are after her and all that, which is something that if anybody in the Senate is not happy with what she said, can react to it. But the question is, why do you need Ahmed to be summoned? And the summon, I understand, contain a kind of threat if he doesn't show up. But of course, you and I know that if the Senate summon you, it is important to honor the invitation and explain your own side of the story. But people are interpreting this as part of a sign of the shrinking of the political space, of the communication space, of the media space in Nigeria, where those in power are trying to muzzle people, are trying to intimidate the media so that the media will not do their responsibility. The media job is probably the only job that was recognized in the Constitution. That's why the media is the fourth estate of the right, that the media will hold the government accountable on behalf of the people. Now, what Brekete Family does, what ordinary President Ahmed does, is holding the government accountable to the people. That is why his program is probably the most listened radio program in Nigeria, both at home and abroad, because he had been involved in several interventions that the institution of the state had failed to do its responsibility, whether it is in the payment of military salary, whether it was delay in getting pension from the police, whether has to do with retirement benefit for civil servants, whether it's in the private sector where people are being treated like sheets by their employers. Ordinary Ahmed had always used the Brekete Family radio to make a case for the voiceless, to make a case for the ordinary man in the street. And that's why they call him the ordinary president. He had always been a man of intervention, a man who tried to use his platform to help the ordinary man in the street, who every other door had closed. There are people who retired for 20 years, their pensions and gratuity, nobody's talking about it. They have worked the whole thing, did everything. They couldn't get their pension. Through the intervention of ordinary Ahmed and the Brekete family, a lot of families have had serious relief and their issues addressed with. And of course, when you are involved in this kind of situation, where you intervene to challenge those in power who fail to do their responsibilities, you have a lot of enemies. You have a lot of people who want to take you down. And ordinary Ahmed and Brekete family has come under attack severally by those who don't want to hear the truth that he used to bring out whenever talking about the issues that concern Nigeria. So I don't know what to think about this. What do you have to say about the summoning of ordinary Ahmed to the Senate? Already, former Senator Sheikh Husani has condemned the Senate's invitation, saying it was a waste of time and all that it was unnecessary. But that being said, ordinary Ahmed himself has indicated that he is going there, and Nigerians are waiting to see what they are going to talk about. What is his offense? What offense did he commit by interviewing Natasha Akpoti on air? An opportunity that I also learned that was extended to the Senate President. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.